Brothers and sisters, there is something that we all understand. Thirst, kauhaw. When we are thirsty, nothing else matters. Kapag ikaw ay uhaw, hindi mo na naiisip yung gutom. Hindi mo na naiisip yung makahiga ka or maging komportable yung upo mo o yung payo mo, because thirst demands attention. But brothers and sisters, there is another thirst that is even deeper, and the thirst of the human heart. Yung kauhaw ng puso ng isang tao. People are thirsty for love. Maraming mga tao, abo nga mga tao, ginauhaw sa paghigugma. Mga taong uhaw sa pagtanggap ng pamilya, ng community, ng mga taong malapit sa Kanya. People thirst for peace. Ang mga tao nauuhaw sa kapayapaan. Hanggang ngayon, no? Hindi pa natatapos yung giyera sa Iran ng US and Israel. 8 days na. And hindi lang sila yung naapektuhan. The whole world is being affected. May mga taong nauuhaw at hinahanap ang buhay na magbibigay sa kanila ng tunay na kahalagahan. Many people spend their whole lives trying to quench that thirst. At gusto nilang mapunan yung kauhaw nila with success, relationship, with wealth, and pleasure. And after all these things, ang puso sabi pa rin, uhaw pa rin ako. Jesus, tired from a journey, umupo sa isang balon at nagsabi sa babae, "Give me a drink." It was a simple request. Kaya sabi niya, "Whoever drinks the water I will give will never thirsty again." Yung babae maybe is searching for happiness in many places. Her life had been complicated, filled with broken relationships. Kaya nga yung buhay niya, hindi siya nagkaroon ng asawa, pero mayroon siyang 5 asawa. Maybe yung babaeng ito, daladalan niya yung ang daming mga disappointment sa kabuhi. At hindi lang yung mga disappointments and broken relationship. Maybe ang daming sugat. Ang daming sugat emotionally, psychologically. At maybe mayroong tinatawag na regrets. Yung bang sasabihin, sana hindi ko na lang ginawa ito. Or maybe, yung another one, yung kahihiyan. Yung bang halos hindi ka magpakita sa iyong kapwa kasi nahihiya ka. Yet Jesus did not judge her. Jesus did not humiliate her and did not push her away. And instead, He elicited and began a conversation. Ang panahon ng Kwaresma, panahon nga kung siin we are returning to the well and ask ourselves, what am I really thirsty for? Ano ba ang talagang nauuhaw ako sa aking buhay? Many times, a lot of people fill their emptiness with things that cannot last. Maraming mga tao naghahanap ng tunay na makapaumpaw ng kanilang kagutom, ng kanilang kauhaw. They keep returning to that well na hindi naman sapat at hindi naman makakapagbigay ng tunay na sagot sa kanilang hinahanap. And hoping that one day, they can finally satisfy them. Hinahanap nila sa ibang bagay yung kanilang hindi makakapagpuno sa kanilang puso. They keep returning to that well that they are hoping it can finally satisfy them. But brothers and sisters, kahit ilang beses kang magpabalik-balik doon sa balon na kung saan hindi naman makakapagpuno ng iyong kauhaw, because ang isa lang ang pwedeng makapagbigay sa iyo, only Christ. Siya lang ang pwedeng makapuno ng kauhaw at kagutom ng isang tao.